Secure all gear in the cargo bag in front of you. For your safety, remain seated with your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the train. Please supervise children. Miembros del equipo de expedición Everest, una vez a bordo, coloquen sus efectos personales en la bolsa delante de la silla. Para su seguridad, permanezcan sentados con las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del tren.
I would just wrap it around your legs. Well, the good news is if there is a part where we go backwards, then we're at the very back, so we just kind of chill.
Here we go, boys.
We drop right into it?
Oh, it's been a minute, dog.
Oh no, not right into it. Keep working.
Oh, yeah, we're front.
This didn't work out, did it?
Let's back up.
I say we go back.
What was that? Uh-oh.
Did you guys see him? We barely saw him.
Yeah.
No, I saw him. His hand was like right here.
Holy frick me! When we came down that drop and we started going vertical, I was like, oh no.
That was fun. That was so cool.
I want to be like close to the back.
Woo!
You're not like super close to the back.
I didn't.
See, from up here, the going backwards part was chill.
Yeah, that was kind of cool.